Hi guys, my name is Elena, and I'm here to introduce myself a little bit. I'm originally from Yakutia, and I moved to United States 6 years ago. Um, I came here as a student to learn English and get familiar with the culture and everything. Before that, I used to live in Moscow for 10 years. I went to Moscow State University of Economics, Statistics, Informatics, and I got my master's degree there in the management and human resources. Right now, I go to City University of New York, and I'm pursuing my business career here. I work full time in Manhattan, which is um, the company I work for is the fashion company, uh, and I do e-commerce, I do inventory, and I do online sales there. And also in the meantime, I wanted to try myself in teaching. So that was always I guess that was my childhood dream. So when I was a child, I always wanted to become a teacher. I used to play games. I used to pretend that I'm a teacher, and that kind of dream, I was inspired by my grandmother. She used to be a biology and chemistry teacher. So I don't have like real teaching experience, but I really enjoy meeting new people. I really enjoy to learn something, and I really enjoy to share my knowledge. And I think this is gonna be fun, and it's gonna be very interesting. So I'm looking forward to hear from you guys, and hope you enjoy my video, and thank you for watching.